desk. This is where we sit and work on our schoolwork. Chair. We sit on chairs when we learn and play. Whiteboard. The teachers write on the whiteboard for us to see. Notebook. We use notebooks to write down our ideas and lessons. Pencil. We use pencils to draw and write. Razor. An eraser helps us to fix our mistakes. Book. Books are full of stories and things to learn. Crayons. Crayons are for coloring and making art. Glue. We use glue to stick things together for our projects. Scissors. Scissors helps us to cut paper for crafts. Ruler. A ruler helps us measure things and draw straight lines. Backpack. We carry our books and supplies in a backpack.